ho ho! Merry Christmas!
There's a popular video online called "Can Godot handle 10,000 bullets?" And apparently Godot can handle 10,000 bullets. But since it's Christmas, I wonder, can Godot handle 10,000 Santas? Let's find out. Let's start with the project settings. I have a standard Full HD resolution. Then I created a new scene, and this is a simple sprite, a Santa sprite, and it has some code attached. The code, it's really simple. What it does is that during each update it moves randomly 10 pixels. This is the display size. Here I generate some random positions. I constrain this display position so that they fit inside the window, and here I set the position. And if I play it, this Santa is jiggling away. In this scene we are going to generate the actual Santas. The structure is quite simple. We have a frames per second label, which will indicate the current frames per second, and we have another label which will show us how many Santas we have in the scene. This one is a simple node to the object where we are going to put our cloned Santas. Now finally, this code here on the root node 2D will generate Santas. Here we are loading a scene. On this line we are updating the label showing the number of Santas, and in this loop we are creating an instance, changing the position to a random position, and finally adding that instance to our Santas node. Let's start with a really simple value. Let's start with 100 Santas. And Godot can deal with 100 Santas easily, no problem, 60 frames per second. 500 Santas, we only get 30 frames per second. That's not very promising, is it? How are you going to generate 10,000 Santas then? And at 1000 Santas we have 20 frames per second. We can see where this is going. 5000 Santas we get 5 frames per second. Because the big Santas seem to work badly, I've reduced the size of the Santa. And 5000 Santas Godot can handle no problemo. That is promising. It seems that the solution was to reduce the size of the Santa. And with 10,000 Santas we get 30 frames per second. That is very nice and very promising. We have 10,000 sprites jiggling around and being rendered and having some code run at every update at 30 frames per second. So Godot can handle 10,000 jiggling Santas. This is quite nice. So now you know, if you want to make a game with 10,000 Santas, Godot can help you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. It really helps the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you later. Bye!